Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. I'm going to tell you guys, you can see the water here. I've been out here playing with these cool gloves I've just found, and they are awesome. They are made by a company called KAYGO, and these are waterproof insulated gloves. Now, what would you use these for? I'm a DIYer. I'm outside in the cold and in the rain all the time, and these things are great. And let me point out a couple of reasons why. It has a very smooth palm so that you can grip things easily. It has flexible spots on your forefinger. They have the flexible fabric right here. They also have it going down the thumb, which is really awesome. They have protection pieces at the ends, which also makes your fingertips flexible. It is fully insulated, but yet I can still move really well. These are going to be double X's. I generally wear a 3X, but these still work fine for me. It has a strap to be able to hang it up so that when you get it wet, it can actually dry out. Now, they claim that these are 100% waterproof, guys. I have to tell you, it's amazing. Let me show you. So I have this little container with water here. I'm going to put my hand down in it. And now I've already been doing this for a long time, just testing it. I'm telling you, my hands are 100% dry and they're warm. Pull it up. Watch. That's coming out of the outer layers. If I pull this off, my hand is totally dry and totally warm. These things are amazing. So if you're a DIYer or if you're fixing to go snow skiing, if you just need a good pair of insulated gloves that are 100% waterproof, I don't think you're going to go wrong with picking these up. If I was going to rate them on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars because it does absolutely everything they said it would. They're fantastic. Pick yourself up a pair today, and we will see you guys on the next review.